Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggnog cocktails. First, gather your fresh ingredients including eggs, sugar, milk, and cream. You'll then gently cook the mixture to a safe temperature, ensuring a smooth and rich base. After chilling, add your preferred spirits like brandy or rum for a delightful adult beverage. Garnish with a sprinkle of nutmeg for that classic holiday touch. This guide will walk you through each step to create a perfect, homemade eggnog cocktail. For a truly delicious eggnog, start with quality ingredients. You'll need about 6 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 cup of heavy cream. These dairy components create a luxurious base. Don't forget a 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Vanilla extract is also a wonderful addition for extra warmth and aroma. Begin by whisking your egg yolks with the sugar until they are pale and fluffy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat the milk and cream until warm, but not boiling. Slowly pour the warm dairy into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Return the combined mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring until it slightly thickens. Let it cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours or ideally overnight. Once your eggnog is perfectly chilled, it's time to add the spirits. Popular choices include bourbon, dark rum, or brandy. You can even combine them for a complex flavor. A good ratio is 1 part spirit to 5 parts eggnog, but adjust to your preference. Serve your eggnog in festive glasses, topped with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of fresh nutmeg or cinnamon. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.